Hey everybody, it's Megan Toll here with the Toll Group. Just wanted to ask, are you thinking about buying a home solo in 2022? Well, not to fret. There are at least 28% of all households, that 36.1 million of the households in the United States are sole person households. So how do you do it and how do you plan for it? Number one is think about your credit score. So what can you afford? What does your current credit health look like? Find out now so that way we can put a plan of action together if you need to increase your credit or maybe you need to start developing credit. Number two, explore your down payment options. So think about your budget and think about your housing needs and how much money do you actually need to be able to put down to purchase that home. And then number three, think about your home for your current needs and your future needs. Is it something that you want to have as a condo, a townhome, a detached single family home? Do you need yard space, entertainment space? What is important to you right now? And how can you potentially grow into the home in the future if, your lifestyle changes? So a lot of things to think about. Love to sit down and educate you about the process so we can help you best put a plan of action together to become a homeowner in 2022. So it's not out of reach if you're a solo person or on a sole income. So reach out today and we'll help you guide you through the process in 2022. Cheers.